When it comes to track sliding gates, First Fence survey, supply, install and maintain your site, giving you peace of mind and security. A First Fence survey gets to know the customer inside and out. We want to understand your access requirements, your surveillance requirements and your exit requirements. Safety is also the #1 thing we build into every survey. And with fencing in our DNA, we will even recommend, supply and install a relevant security fence to suit your needs, allowing us to build a full package that works for you and your security requirements. So when it comes to survey, supply, installation and maintenance, let First Fence take the hassle away from you.